Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to deposit money on your Binance application. So there's a few ways how you can do this. The first one would be to press on assets at the bottom, the last button. Then you're going to press add funds, and then you will see that you can deposit fiat. So you're going to choose your currency deposit. After that, you will have a few methods. So I recommend to use bank transfer, SEPA Instant, because it has almost the lowest fee. And then press continue. After that, you will have your bank account details, and you need to just copy it and transfer from your bank account. Another way to do this is press on the trade option, then buy and sell, and then you want to go ahead and choose what you want to buy, what cryptocurrency you want to buy. For example, let's buy Solana with our currency, and you're going to choose a method to pay with. So you're going to choose the best option for you, and after that you're going to enter how much you want to go ahead and buy, and you're going to preview the order and buy it with, again, your card. Now the last method to add your funds is from another exchange. So press add funds, then on-chain deposit. Then you're going to choose what coin you want to go ahead and send. After that, you're going to choose the network. This is really important. Make sure you choose the correct one. And after that, you want to go ahead and copy your deposit address, enter it to another exchange, and transfer the coins like so. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.